This is David Schwarz. He was born in 1852 in Keszthely, Hungary, spent his childhood in Županja in Croatia. Then he lived and worked in Zagreb. A quiet man, a wood merchant, not the sort you'd expect to chase the skies. Yet David disliked the ground. He dreamed of machines. He dreamed of flying. So in his workshop, between stacks of timber, he began designing an airship. Not of fabric, like the others, but of metal. Newspapers of the 1890s mocked him. They thought the idea of a rigid metal airship was comical, absurd, almost cartoonish. In 1896, in Berlin, the airship lifted. It worked. History should have remembered him. But then, tragedy. David collapsed before the second flight. A heart attack. Gone at 44. Soon after, Count Zeppelin contacted David's widow, Melanie. She held the blueprints. She signed the papers. She sold the dream. Zeppelin copied the design. He made a fortune. His name became immortal. David's name did not. Some men reach the sky. Others build the path to it.